Hi everybody, this is Uwa, and for this video, we're going to prepare special laing. I'll be providing the step-by-step and all the ingredients we need for this meal. So if you have extra time, you can prepare it as well. You ready? Let's start! Garlic or bawang, onion or sibuyas, ginger or luya, chili or sile, then 1/4 pork, coconut milk or gata, dried taro leaves or dahon ng gabi, and prepare knife and chopping board. Cut or chop into small pieces. Hiway ng maliliit ang ating mga pangsahog. Para sa ating pork, cut into small cubes. Hiway ng maliliit or hiway ng pangsahog. Once done, place in a bowl. Wait for the pan to heat up. Antayin munang uminit ito bago ilagay ang ating mantika. Then after, put the oil o ilagay ang mantika. Add small piece of butter. Haluin ito hanggang sa matunaw. Haluin din ito na maigi sa mantika. Pagkatapos, add garlic and stir. Ilagay na natin ang bawang and followed by onion and stir as well. Haluin ito, antayin until it turns brown. After, add ginger and mix. Ilagay na rin natin ang ating luya at ihalo. Then add chili or ilagay na natin ang ating sili. Isa ito sa mga hindi dapat mawala dahil ito ay nagbibigay anghang sa ating laing. Put the meat and mix. Ilagay na natin ang ating hiniwang karne. Pagkatapos, lagyan ng 1 cup of water para mas lumambot at maluto ang ating karne. Pagkatapos ay haluin lamang ito ng haluin. Laing originates from the Bicol region where it is known simply as pinangat. Kaya pag Bicol signature dishes, hindi talaga mawawala ang sili. Cover the pan and wait for 5 minutes. Pagkatapos ay buksan ito at haluin ulit. Add pepper or ilagay ang ating paminta. Haluin lamang ito ng haluin bago ilagay ang ating asin. Add salt. Then haluin din natin ito para ma-absorb niya ang ating panglasa. Once done, cover the pan and wait for 3 minutes or 3 minuto. Pagkatapos ay buksan na ito at mag-add pa ng 1 cup of water bago takpan ulit at antayin kumulo. Pagkatapos, i-add natin ang ating dried taro leaves. Dahan-dahan, make sure na ito ay crush or dinurog. Isa rin ito sa dahilan bakit tayo naglagay ng tubig. Dahil pag nilagay na natin ang ating dried taro leaves, ay sisip-sip ito ng tubig. Kaya kung kaya pang lagyan ng tubig, ay maganda para hindi maging tuyo ang ating dish or ang ating niluluto. Then, add pork cubes. Ihalo ito para mas lumasa ang ating pagkain. Isa nga ito sa masasabi kong hindi nakakasawang ulamin, and this dish has been very famous. It is popular within the Philippines and also outside of the country. Cover the pan and wait for 3 minutes. Kung mapapansin nyo nga, unting-unti na naluluto ang ating taro leaves o dahon ng gabi. For this time, we need to put the coconut milk. It's important na huli natin siyang nilalagay para hindi siya sipsipin ng ating dried taro leaves. Then mix well. Haluin na ito ng dahan-dahan. I use pork for this recipe, but if you want to add shrimp, feel free to do so. But try to add it towards the end so that it won't get overcooked. And we're almost done. Inaantay na lang natin ito ng maluto pa ng maluto para mas lumasa. And pwede nyo rin itong tikman para ma-adjust nyo yung lasa kung masyado ba itong maalat or need pa ba dagdagan ng asin. Preparing this laing is simple and easy. And kung hindi nyo prefer ng pork or kung gusto nyo baguhin ang ating sahog, posible din. Pwede nyo ito yung palitan ng chicken or fish, dried fish, para mas lumasa ang alat nito. And also, laing is best served with warm steamed rice. Sa mga rice lover dyan, perfect to. And we're done. It's ready to serve. Tapos na nating lutuin ang ating special laing. And tingin pa nga lang, tiyak na matatakam ka na sa gutom. And trust me, this is a good dish. It's so good. Every Filipino gathering I attend, this is one of the most sought after dishes. And it deserves to be known internationally. And that's it. Again, thank you everyone for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe and follow Uwa TV. Goodbye.